Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly what happened when I use Surfshark VPN every single day for 30 days and whether it's actually worth your money. Before we start, check the links in the description below. That's where the current discount is live, and these prices change often, so grab it while it lasts. Day 1, I installed Surfshark on my laptop, phone, tablet, and TV in about 10 minutes. That was the first surprise because I never had to log anything out. Surfshark allows unlimited simultaneous connections on a single subscription, while most competitors cut you off at 5 or 10 devices. If you live with family or simply own a lot of hardware, that one detail saves you from paying for a second subscription. Speed was my biggest worry going in. Encryption normally costs you bandwidth, and a slow VPN is one you stop using after a week. Over the month, I tested at different hours from different servers, and Surfshark held a 95% speed retention rate. In practice, I never noticed it running. Nearby servers occasionally felt faster than my raw connection, which happens when a provider routes you around congested paths. For comparison, IPVanish landed at a 93% speed retention rate under the same conditions. Only the long-distance Australian route showed a real dip, and that's physics, not a flaw. Streaming is why a lot of you are here, so I tested it hard. Netflix libraries in the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia all opened without a single proxy error, without buffering, and without me hunting for a special server. I picked a country and pressed connect. Surfshark doesn't even advertise dedicated streaming servers, which makes that result more impressive. There's also smart DNS for regional libraries on a console or older smart TV that can't run VPN software. Security held up under testing too. I ran DNS leak tests and WebRTC leak tests before and after connecting, and my real IP address and location were fully masked every time. The kill switch behaved exactly as advertised. When I forced a server change mid-session, my true location never appeared for a second. Encryption is AES 256 on OpenVPN and IKEv2 with ChaCha20 on WireGuard. Mac users also get DAOSOS, Surfshark's own protocol, which hands every user a private tunnel instead of a shared lane and delivers up to 30% faster speeds. I want to be honest here rather than just cheerlead. Surfshark keeps no logs of your activity, and Deloitte independently audited that claim in June 2025, which counts for far more than a homepage promise. The company is based in the Netherlands, which has no mandatory data retention laws, but does sit inside the Nine Eyes Intelligence Alliance. With an audited no-logs policy, there is nothing to hand over, so this didn't worry me. But if jurisdiction is your top concern, you deserve to know before you buy. The extras ended up being what I used most without even thinking about it. CleanWeb blocks ads, trackers, and cookie pop-ups, and the browser extension strips ads from YouTube as well. After 30 days, I didn't want to browse without it. Alternative ID was the other quiet winner, generating a masked email and a full alternative persona, so every newsletter, free trial, and store checkout stops feeding your real details to data brokers. Bypasser let me route my banking app outside the tunnel while everything else stayed encrypted, and rotating IP changed my address every few minutes while keeping my country fixed. Now let's talk about the plans, because picking the wrong one is the easiest way to overpay or underprotect yourself. There are 3, all built on a 24-month cycle that adds 3 extra months free, so you're actually covered for 27 months. Surfshark Starter is $2.49 a month, 85% off, which works out to $67.23 for the full 27 months. That gets you the complete VPN, unlimited devices, CleanWeb, alternative ID, bypasser, rotating IP, and dynamic multi-hop for routing through 2 countries at once. If you want privacy, streaming access, and safe public Wi-Fi, this is all you need, and it's what most of you should pick. Surfshark One is $2.79 a month, also 85% off, totaling $75.33. That extra 30 cents a month adds a full antivirus suite with real-time protection and webcam blocking, an AI email scam checker, Surfshark Alert to monitor breaches and credit card leaks, and the private Surfshark search engine. If you're already paying separately for antivirus, this tier replaces that bill and becomes the smartest value here. Surfshark One Plus is $4.49 a month, 79% off, at $121.23 in total. On top of everything above, it adds identity theft coverage up to $1 million with restoration reimbursement and a licensed investigator plus Incogni, which forces data brokers and people search sites to delete your personal information and keeps following up every couple of months. Note that identity coverage applies to US residents outside New York State, and Incogni is available to US, UK, EU, Swiss, and Canadian residents. Monthly and 12-month billing options exist, but they cost considerably more each month, which is why the 2-year term is worth taking. Every plan carries a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test everything I've described at zero risk. Do keep in mind that these introductory prices apply to your first term and then renew at the standard rate, which is normal across this industry, but worth noting in your calendar. If you need something more specific, there's a dedicated IP add-on across 20 locations that stops those endless "I'm not a robot" checks and reduces IP blocking, and an alternative number that shields your real phone number from scam calls. Apps cover Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, iOS, Android TV, Apple TV, and Fire TV, with extensions for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge, and manual setup for routers and consoles. So after 30 days, my verdict is simple. Surfshark matches the speed, streaming access, and audited privacy of providers charging significantly more, and the unlimited device policy makes it the cheapest realistic way to protect an entire household. Live chat answered me inside a minute at an awkward hour. The apps look identical across every platform, and nothing broke all month. This is the VPN staying installed on my devices. Right now, Surfshark is running up to 85% off with 3 extra months free, which brings it down to just $2.49 a month. That is the lowest price I have seen it hit. Use the coupon links in the description below so the discount applies automatically at checkout. If this review really helped, hit like and subscribe to the channel for more honest tests like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.